team and Division of Reproductive Health are looking at this data. Remember also in the Kenya Demographic Health Survey of 2019, 400,000 teenagers get pregnant every year. So one county reporting 4,000 would also not be far-fetched.
Ni miario ire yarekereirio ni murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa urigitani Dagitari Patrick Amoth kiumia kihituku iria umuthi yonekanire iri ngurani ya mutafariri wa mihango ya ugima wa mwiri Dagitari Mercy Mwangangi akiuga mwaka bururi wa Kenya wandikithagia airitu 4,000 mohete nda na gukinyaniria na riu airitu 3,600 niyo mohete nda.
Last year, in terms of the last annual year in the ministry, we had about 4,000 teenage pregnancies, and this is from our health information system that we manage nationally, and that this year there's been a drop to 3,600 teenage pregnancies. So a reduction in terms of COVID-19, and I'm sure you may see that this is a bit different from the story that was carried into the paper.
Kaunti ya Machakos kuringana na ripoti ya ikundi citari cia githirikari yugite kuma riria king'uki gia COVID-19 kiambiriirie kaunti ino yandikithitie airitu 4,000 mohete nda indi kuringana na Mwangangi augite ni kwari na mahitia make mathabu hindi ya utari uyu.
We are aware that the study that was undertaken actually had double counting of these teenage pregnancies. So for example, if I come for my ANC visit today and I come back again in another 2 months and I come back again 2 months thereafter, that's counted as 3 pregnancies, yet it is one mother coming for 3 visits.
No ona gukire uguo Dagitari Mercy Mwangangi ni ahithuritie ati thirikari ni gukana mitaratara ya gubanga uria airitu aya mohete nda marikoragwo makirumbuyo.
Do present late to the clinic when pregnancy is advanced. And given the higher risks associated with teenage pregnancies, teenage mothers will be encouraged to make multiple visits, and we are putting in place mechanisms to ensure that these mothers are able to access the care that is available.
Aciari ni mathiete na mbere na kuhinyiririo kumenyerera ciana ciao ihinda-ini riri ciri micii. Ripoti igie namba ino ikionekana kwaga utheri.
But we need to work together as a whole society to ensure that we don't have any teenage pregnancies. This is obtaining because of the unique situation that we are in. But as parents, as brothers, sisters, of each and every one of us, we need to work together to ensure that the teenagers are protected so that they can be able to achieve their full potential.
Irifotera Kameme TV ritura kwa Wanjiru wa Foro.